Schools Computer Club Initiative, promoting creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship.
My presentation will be talking about testimonies. You cannot be a member of NCS and CPN without having testimonies. You can't be a member of NCS and CPN without having testimonies. There are some of the things that we go to university to learn that it is in NCS we see those things. When you come to conferences every year, you discover that a lot has been tagged for us to have personal development, for us to have experience, for us to know what the emerging technologies is about. Whatever sector you find yourself, whether in the education sector, whether in the banking sector, and so on like that, whether you are into cybersecurity, your experience in NCS and CPN is incomparable. So let me start by talking about professional development for computer science teachers. I want to tell everyone here that up to today, I am still teaching in some schools. We run consultancy services for schools, either in the area of innovation or in the area of computer science education for both primary and secondary schools. And I can tell you that my professional development in NCS, in CPN, as well as being a member of Computer Science Teachers Association, which is an international body under Association of Computing Machinery outside the country. So apart from being a computer science teacher locally, I am also a computer science teacher internationally too, which I am recognized. So professional development for computer science teachers is vital. And I want to encourage as many computer science teachers that are here, even if they are not here, please help us to pass the message to them. You see, one thing about professionalism is that you cannot compare somebody who is not in Nigerian Medical Association with somebody who is just selling drugs just somewhere around the corner. You know, professionalism has to be guided by advocacy and regulation. So until you come to that point where you are guided by advocacy and regulation, I can tell you that you are not yet a professional. So I want to encourage computer science teachers as they are clamoring to form Computer Science Teachers Association to be members of NCS and CPN. A tree does not make a forest. When NCS has several interest groups, it makes NCS stronger. When NCS has local chapters, it makes NCS stronger. You as an individual, by the time you talk about yourself, oh, I'm a member of NCS, I'm a member of CPN, it makes the whole body to be happy to be part of this profession. Now, secondly, there will be better visibility for computer science teachers and their schools. As I'm speaking now, one of the visibility I have gained in NCS is enormous. It's enormous. I have been in Nigeria Computer Society Lagos chapter, and I've been in different positions. I can tell you vividly that I've been Lagos State Coordinator for ICT for 10 years in Nigeria Computer Society. I have been the chairman of trades and events for Nigeria Computer Society, while still maintaining the cause of promoting computer science education in primary and secondary school. And I use that as an opportunity to bring teachers even to NCS and to CPN. So computer science teachers, we have better visibility. We have better visibility when they join NCS and CPN. Now, there will be better visibility for IT stakeholders in schools. There will be better visibility. Like Dr. Aderoke Bello was saying, You see, a tree cannot make a forest. For example, now I have an initiative. The goal of the initiative is creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship in Nigerian schools. So I use that as a way of making schools to be visible to emerging technologies, making them to be visible to NCS and to CPN. So by the time you become a member of NCS, everybody has a talent. Everybody has his own unique capability. That when you bring to NCS, it will help NCS in one way or the other. So for IT companies, it will be better visibility for them if you can meet with ICT teachers, because they are the main, is like they are the immediate people that you will meet in their various schools when it comes to IT. If there will be better visibility for NCS if we are able to meet with these computer science or IT teachers, better visibility for CPN if we are able to meet with these computer science or ICT teachers. So there's visibility for the ICT teachers, there's also visibility for the IT stakeholders. And capacity building is very, very relevant. I will not want to stress more on this. Dr. Aderonke Bello made mention of Zodiac. One of the things that a lot of teachers don't know is that CPN is like an agency, is like a body under the Ministry of Education. You have challenges in computer studies, you have challenges in the curriculum. We have a voice through Computer Science Teachers Association in primary and secondary school. Teachers can leverage on the fact that CPN, Computer Professional Association Council of Nigeria, is directly under the Ministry of Education. So any issues that we have with computer science education, computer science curriculum, we can pass it through CPN. And if system eventually comes to limelight, we have better voice through CPN to channel whatever we want to channel to CPN. CPN will pass it to the Ministry of Education. Finally, in my presentation, I want to talk about Schools Computer Club initiative. Firstly, we will continue to promote NCS, Nigeria Computer Society, in every schools. By the grace of God, we have been able to reach up to 18 states now with Schools Computer Club initiative. And we have been able to gather teachers, speak with NCS chairmen in different states so that we can be able to work together to make this IT profession to go to greater heights. We also are promoting CPN in schools and encouraging teachers to join CPN and NCS. And as Schools Computer Club initiative, our motto is creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Dr. Mrs. Bello has made mention of emerging technologies. That is what we bring to schools. And I can tell you, one of the reasons why I find myself in education committee today is that I am doing what I love doing. That is what in fact, the reason why I joined NCS is because I have passion for IT education. I have passion for emerging technologies as far as it concerns children. And by the grace of God, a lot of IT companies in Nigeria have been supporting this initiative. And I'm proud to mention that SIGMAC is one of them, Union Systems is one of them, CPN is assisting, NCS is assisting every year on this program of Schools Computer Club initiative. So I want to say at this point that let us all come to NCS. Each of us have one initiative or the other. Each of us have one problem-solving ability or together. Let it not be only Schools Computer Club initiative. Let it not be only Dr. Aderonke Bello that is pushing it. Let all of us come with our initiative. We have thousands of elders in the profession. We have people who can mentor us, who can tell us that, oh, do it this way, don't do it that thing. I want to appreciate Mr. Jidiawe and a whole lot of others, Dr. Mrs. Akinlade and Professor Charles Iwadia, and so on. Moderator, please help us mute all the speakers except the presenter. Thank you, sir. So with this few points of mine, I am imploring everyone, whichever initiative you have, assist NCS. Let everybody know that you are a member of NCS. Let everybody know that you are a member of CPN. And let us move this IT profession to the next level. A tree cannot make a forest. Thank you so much. Let us not forget our purpose for coming here today is technology advocacy and capacity building in Nigerian schools. Now, we have already flagged it off at the national level. Now, we want to encourage our different states because we'll be moving from one state to another. We are already having state coordinators, Lagos, Ebonyi, Anambra, and so on like that. So we are going to go from state to state on technology advocacy and capacity building in Nigerian schools. So we want every one of us in your different states to support this project. The Computer Science Teachers Association of Nigeria, they want to be an interest group under Nigeria Computer Society. We already have a massive grant of about 18 states already, and we are clamoring for that. So we are expecting that each state now will begin to talk about technology advocacy and capacity building in different schools.
Schools Computer Club Initiative, promoting creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship.